Okay, we got 2 TVs in here, and we're gonna see how much damage we can do to them with 2 mags of AK. Alright, Paul, do it up. Hopefully we don't get killed with shrapnel or something. Okay, we're gonna do a quick switch over here. We got some spark action going.
Make sure you get me and the TV in there.
Yup. Alright. Now, commencing part 2 of the TV destruction. Really part 3 or 4 if you count the 45.
Having a little malfunction with the mag. Happens sometimes. And we're ready to go. Take a little look at the damage.
Let's go check that damage out. How about it? Smoking. That's always good.
And that was good as a bike driving down by the road in the direction we're shooting.
Alright, there's some...
Don't breathe this.
Yeah, don't breathe that smoke. That's not stuff that you want to inhale.
Very close to it.
That's some more bullet holes there.
Fix the front of this up.
Some good exit wounds here. Nice little holes. Let's check out the front of this TV. Ooh, got some nice array of bullets here along the speakers as well.
Get a full shot of the center.
And yeah, the center was already like this, but the center is pretty nice and cleared out.
See the leaves back there a little bit.
Yeah. See a nice path through the back of it. That's so yeah, that's the damage we did. Pretty good.
Sláinte.